This is Finance Disrupted. Look closer at trends transforming the financial services industry. When a 1,000-year-old institution decides to embrace a fundamental change to its operations, you know that you're on the cusp of something truly transformative. The UK Royal Mint has announced plans to launch digital trading of gold on the Bitcoin blockchain in 2017. The Royal Mint will issue gold on the blockchain in the form of a digital asset called RMG. 1 unit of RMG will be equal to 1 gram of gold, physically backed by the gold stored in the Royal Mint's vault. The ownership and transaction history of each RMG will be automatically and immutably preserved on the blockchain. This will allow traders to bilaterally trade amongst themselves, eliminating the need for the Royal Mint to maintain an infrastructure to physically authenticate, validate and record transactions, basically lowering operational costs and increasing efficiencies. So instead of the usual management fees and storage costs, the efficiencies gained on the blockchain allow the Royal Mint to offer traders the option to convert RMG units into physical gold at zero storage costs. On this self-authenticated digital system, traders will now be able to trade 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. This is a giant leap towards commercializing one of the most promising applications of blockchain technology, the ability to digitally transfer asset ownership of precious commodities. The internet today allows us to send copies. So when we send an email or send a file to someone, we send them a copy of the original. This works great for transferring information, but when we are transferring assets, we don't want to send a copy. That's where the blockchain comes in, as it immutably records the ownership history of an asset and all the transactions behind it. With the additional ability to record the asset's metadata, we are able to inextricably link each asset unit to its transaction history, significantly minimizing the potential for fraud. This is what Everledger is doing with the diamond trade, taking over 40 metadata points for each unit of diamond, including its inscribed serial number, carat, color, clarity and cut, down to the angles, pavilions and shape of the crown. This assures buyers and traders of the commodity's provenance and source, and avoids funding illegal trade such as in blood diamonds. Royal Mint's blockchain platform will lower costs, improve efficiencies and provide investors and traders with enhanced transparency and authenticity. Here's wishing the Mint another millennia of golden glory. In a move that has sent shockwaves through the blockchain community, founding member Goldman Sachs has decided to exit the R3 group. Following its exit, Santander has also pulled out of the consortium, which includes more than 50 financial services companies as its members. The purpose of the R3 consortium is to collaboratively develop the next generation of banking architecture and infrastructure. It provides a sandbox environment where competitors can work together to create and safely test common frameworks and protocols. One of the biggest issues of independently developing blockchain solutions is the problem of interoperability amongst different firms. The R3 consortium provides grounds to build consensus and standards. However, that's where things begin to get tricky. Reportedly, a key reason of Goldman's departure stems from its perceived lack of control over a body with 70+ stakeholders. As in almost every other industry that has faced an internet-driven disruption, major innovations did not come from the incumbents. Industry standards are often set by competition and winning customers, rather than via consortia. Interestingly, Goldman continues to back various blockchain startups through other investments and funds. Fintech has witnessed a remarkable level of partnering and collaboration between incumbents and startups because both entities have specific strengths. Incumbents bring the scale, value chain and proven business models, while startups bring the creative solutions and fresh ways of working to improve service and efficiency. While interoperability issues could be approached via technical workarounds, true innovation in financial services might just be a function of collaboration rather than consortium. If you found this video informative, hit the like button. If you want to see more such videos, hit the subscribe button. Start conversations by sharing this video and let me know your thoughts in the comments below on LinkedIn or on Twitter. Remember, it's easy being different. Being better, that's much harder. Thanks for watching.